Dollar Tree Christmas magic coming right up. Latest DIYs, hottest trends, and budget-friendly finds. Let's get started. Home decor, DIYs, thrift flips, dupes, hacks, and more. Welcome to CJ DIY. Have you seen those filigree at Dollar Tree? If you see them, grab them. You can make amazing decoration, especially for Christmas. I will be using 6 of them. They're coming in 4 different sizes and shapes. I am painting 2 of them with a golden colored shades. On 2 of them, I'm using a brown Dollar Tree paint, and then 4 of them, I'm painting them red from Dixie Belle, and I'm thinking I should have used the beautiful Acadia. That's like a green color from Dixie Belle. It's gonna look beautiful either way. So anyway, I'm painting them on the front and on the back, and then I'm gonna let them dry. You can use any color that you are decorating this year for your color scheme. And after I let them dry, this is how they look. Now with the golden shimmer from that golden Dollar Tree paint, and then I had a darker shade paint also. I'm mixing them, and with my chippy brush, I'm going over my ornaments and I'm distressing them. I removed the beaded tassels on the bottom. You can leave them either way, they're gonna look super cute, but this time I decided just to leave them plain as they are with all those beautiful cutout designs. I love them. And with that golden distressed look, they're just so high-end. For the middle part, I'm adding some jewels, green and red. I will leave the link where I purchased them. There is hundreds of them in different sizes, and you can add them to your crafts as well. Now I'm showing you how they're gonna look if you add those beaded tassels back, and I'm also adding a handles with my velvet ribbons in different colors, and I created beautiful ornaments for Christmas to decorate your Christmas tree or to give those ornaments as a gift. Such an inexpensive but very high-end beautiful looks. Dollar Tree is selling those new golden frames. If you see them, grab them because they're selling out super fast. You can create amazing decorations for them for $1.25. I'm using 2 of the oval ones, and I'm just removing the cover, and you don't need to do pretty much anything with those frames, but I wanted to darken my gold a little bit. You can also paint them in any color as you prefer if you are not a lover of a gold look. And I think the gold finish looks just perfect and sophisticated for Christmas with the traditional vintage decor. It's so high-end. I am heavy distressing it with a black paint, and then with a wipe, I will be removing the excess just to tone down the golden finish on this frame. I love that black chalkboard background, and I will be adding these new IOD transfers angels that they're singing. I think they're just perfect for these frames. I will have the links for all those IOD transfers where I purchased them. They're not very expensive. That booklet is $23, but there is so many transfers in it. You can create amazing, beautiful items for Christmas decoration. So now I added the angel, and with my scraping tool I transfer my girl, and on the second one I'm repeating the same step. It was a little bit harder because the background is like a chalkboard, but at the end it worked out just perfect. I sealed them with a clear DIY wax, and that's it. On the bottom of one I just add this beautiful golden fate cutout that is also from Dollar Tree, and the second one I just left it plain. For my next creation, super quick and easy, I'm using 4 wooden Dollar Tree cutouts and 4 transfers from the same. It's called Kitschy Christmas IOD transfers, and I am transferring them on with the help of a scraping tool. You can add some paint in it, but I wanted to show you how quick and easy you can make amazing decor for the holidays. Different kinds. I'm using 2 vertically and 2 horizontally. You can add those either way you prefer. Adding them in these wooden cutouts, they're just perfect for your vignettes, or you can add those transfers and create amazing ornaments. Either way, it's gonna look so high-end that it won't break a bank. Now that I transfer them all, I will seal them with a matte finish Mod Podge. 2 of them I decided to rise them up with this finial wooden finish. I am adding them and gluing them on the bottom part of one of those cutouts, and I will be repeating the same step on my second one as well, and the other 2 I am just leaving them as they are. I'm also painting one of them with the Acadia Dixie Belle paint around the edges, and also I'm painting the finial on that one as well. And then for my second riser, I'm using a red paint, repeating the same step as well. That's how they look so far. For extra embellishment, I created 2 simple loop bows with these velvet ribbons, red and green, and gluing them on top of the finials. And this look is done for those 2. I think they came out super cute. What do you think? For extra embellishment on my other 2 tabletops, I'm adding checker Mackenzie Childs ribbon, and I'm just gluing them just to give that cohesive look and theme scheme that I'm creating for this coming Christmas. And I think they look super cute. Perfect for tier tray as well, your vignette, your corner, or you can give those as gifts. I am also adding a super tiny cute bow on the corner of this tabletop, and then for my Santa tabletop I just covered that with this ribbon, and that's it for this look. Not even 5 minutes and you have those beautiful high-end Mackenzie Child inspired looks. For my next creation, super quick and easy, I'm using these DollarTree wooden slices, perfect to create ornaments, and I'm using those new IOD transfer booklets as well. And as you can see, there is so many transfers in them, and for $23 it's worth it. You can create amazing looks. So I'm cutting off a couple of those beautiful looks, and then I will transfer them on my wooden slices. In not even 5 minutes, you have an amazing, beautiful ornaments. And with all those new Dollar Tree finds, I'm showing you my top picks for beautiful and budget-friendly Christmas. After the transfers are added on the wooden slices, I am sealing them with a matte finish Mod Podge. I created mini velvet bows with velvet hangers, and these ornaments are all done. I love those beautiful mirror vintage frames from Dollar Tree. I paint the middle part where the mirror is with the white paint. I let it dry, and I'm adding a new set of transfers from Crimson Velvet IOD transfers. I love those candle holder centerpieces, and with adding them in the middle part of these vintage mirror frames, they look so cohesive, like originally were made like this. Perfect for our home decorations. What I like about those transfers, they're so quick and easy. You don't need to add any paint, and you have an amazing look, and you can add them on any item that you love. I'm sealing them with this clear DIY wax. I love this wax. I've been using it so much. I have the links from Sammy's store if you like to purchase them. You won't regret using those DIY products. And here is the final reveal for those two. I'm making more sets of ornaments, this time with the clear ones. I grabbed 2 sets. For the first set, I will be filling them with this golden filler from Dollar Tree. Those are just perfect. I just made a cone and adding them inside until the whole ornament is filled with those beautiful golden fillers. Now that I got 2 filled with all those fillers, I have also painted their caps with a gold paint to make it cohesive. In the meanwhile, I'm adding a tape on top of the ornaments so we don't spill all that fillers while we add more transfers for those 2 ornaments as well. To add the transfers on ornaments, on a round shape, it's easier to cut off the transfer so you don't have any cracking in between. So you just gotta do it portion by portion until the whole transfer is added on your sphere. I'm adding a different transfer on my other ornament as well. I also added a velvet ribbon on top, and I also sealed the transfers, and this look is done. For the next set of my ornaments, I found this beautiful sparkle red paint from DollarTree, and I will be adding this paint in the inside part of the ornaments and shake it well until the whole ornament is filled with it. The easiest part is to not spill the paint. I added a tape on top and I shake it well for a few good minutes, and you have a new look on the ornament. I'm adding a new set of transfers with bells and snowflakes, and you have a beautiful looks for those two ornaments. There's so many things that you can do with those DollarTree tags. I added some transfers on them, and then on the edges I'm making some stitching line with my golden finished marker. There will be such a beautiful detail on your wrapping gift boxes, or you can add them on those mini golden DollarTree frames and turn them into a beautiful ornament, or you can even add them to your centerpiece as a part of the embellishment. I mean, the sky is the limit with all those tags, what you can do for Christmas and be super creative with them. And my darlings, that is it for today's video. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. I hope you found some inspiration for your own DIY projects. For we are God's handiwork, created in Christ Jesus to do good work. Ephesians 2:10. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.